Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Here's our new challenge, and most of my friends and I have received mails and comments regarding the new challenge. And here is the challenge is all about data science and machine learning. And this series is going to be, as we actually when on taking challenge, it's not seems to be as challenging. You have to learn by doing. So we are not going to have this as a challenge, so we are just going to take this as a series. So what is the series is all about? Yeah, here it is the information, just have it. See here, dear friends, actually, if you want to learn data science but are unsure where to begin because the internet is filled with overwhelming information, or if you are someone who is not from a technical field and have concern that you are lacking in the technical knowledge, or I will show you how to do so in this video. So if you put in at least a half a day of focused study, you can learn data science and machine learning within 100 days. So many people are unsure about their ability to learn data science because see actually they lack a technical background. So however, I have a friend who works in paramedical and wanted to enter into the data science, but he took a few one-to-one sessions with me parallelly with some courses, and he is now employed as a data scientist. So if this person from a completely unrelated field can do it, anyone can. So all you need is a laptop, access to the internet, and strong willpower. So let's begin this with an roadmap. Okay, so first choose a programming language. See, when coming to the programming language for data science, Python and R are the two most popular programming language in the field of it. So if in doubt, so any always choose Python because it is flexibility and wide set of libraries are there in Python. So you don't need any prior programming experience to follow this tutorial. And I start with installation, then go through the basic data types like number or strings and list, and next we will discuss about the control flow statements like if else, for loop and else statements. Make sure to read the video description because it has the link to practice. And next, the following session will cover the data analysis and data visualization, where Numpy, Pandas, and data visualization would be covering as module 2 and 3. So it's crucial to have a solid understanding of Numpy, Pandas, and visualization libraries like matplotlib and seaborn. So since data scientists spend the majority of their time cleaning and exploring the data, so only 20 to 30% of their time is spent constructing the model. So the data cleaning procedure enables you to organize your untidy data into a format that your model can utilize. So these programming enables you to perform data cleaning and explorations. And because Python plain list is slow and inefficient in terms of memory usage, so NumPy performs considerably better than it. Large arrays may be stored with ease with NumPy. So when performing data science, you frequently work with enormous arrays that include a large number of or numbers at a rapid pace. So the primary object of Pandas, which is constructed on top of NumPy, is a data frame. So tabular data can be stored in memory using data frames, which can be used to conduct SQL operations. So imagine yourself using this approach and receiving all the advantages of database in memory while it is really quick. So dealing with missing values actually takes up a lot of time that data scientists have. So after learning the fundamental syntax of Numpy and Pandas, your next step would be to try exploratory data analysis, or which we just shortly say as EDA, on real-time data sets. So we do a few small projects. So after learning the basic syntax, you can try EDA on real data sets, and this is followed by matplotlib and seaborn, which is the visualization library where you all go over different type of charts such as bar charts, histogram, pie chart, and so on. And see here, dear friends, here we are not just going to stop that. But if you are targeting a career as a data analyst, yeah, I think this is sufficient of having till module 3. But having machine learning knowledge is not necessary, but having it is good. But it is not required for the job role. But if you are targeting a data scientist role, then having knowledge is essential. So, however, as you learn machine learning, you will encounter the difficulty that you most overcome. So it's time to move on to machine learning. Now that you have the basic understanding of exploratory data analysis. So that you are learning machine learning will encounter many maths and statistic concepts. So let's spend a few sessions covering maths and statistics in a really very initiative approach utilizing the visualization. And see here, dear friends, so you get the impression that it's not like you pick up one subject, learn everything about it, and never think about it again. So not like that. So to make your concept apparent, you must constantly go back to those same subject again and again. And the next, we have the comprehensive machine learning step-by-step guide for beginners, where we go over machine learning fundamentals, moving on to the topics like hot encoding, gradient descent, and logistic regression. We also base our discussions on classification technique like decision tree, logistic regression, and support vector machines. And see here, dear friends, regression, classification, and clustering techniques are all required in your introductory machine learning program. And then hyperparameter tuning. So how do you choose a base how do you choose a model which is based for a particular issue? So I explain things in a way that is simple for novices too. So once you have accomplished, you may start an end-to-end data science project. After practicing of all the things within 100 days, you will have mastered all the abilities required to work as a data scientist or data analyst. And hope you like this endeavor, and trust me, understanding data science is not that difficult. Data science, machine learning, and deep learning are going to revolutionize the future. So have no doubts and just get right started here right now. All you need is to adhere to the step-by-step approach which I'm just going to provide you. And not finally think, so don't forget to subscribe to the channels and don't wait. See, because the world is changing so quickly and there are so many incredible things occurring and opportunity to establish a successful career. And here, dear friends, kindly don't forget to subscribe the channel and never miss any updates. Thank you.